Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes.
Okay, next we're going to peel our tomato. You just want to take your tomato that's clean, put it in the microwave, heat it on high for 15 seconds, and then as it comes out, you're going to let it just sit for about 15 minutes before you start trying to peel it.
Okay, so we microwaved our tomato for about 10 to 15 seconds and we let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. So now we just cut off our top and you should be able to peel it just like so. You might need a knife or something to help you get started, but it should peel easily like this if you don't like having your skin on your tomatoes.